Alright, we're playing some of the Tour 6 US champions. We're trying to get City Park, and we did not get City Park, but Juniper Point, hole 8, par 4. I don't have that one. Alright, we will record it. We go first. So there's a couple ways to play this. You can play it out here, or you can play it over here and try and get it on, but with that type of wind, we're not going to be able to play it that direction. You could play this with a quasar. As a matter of fact, since we're laying up, let's play with the quasar. We'll just put on a little more power here. We're at 8-2, so 2, 4, 6, 8. 8-2. And a little grate to the left, which will be fine. We had a little room on that side, and that should be just fine. Now, the shot from over here, I will tell you that the shot coming onto the green, you're going to see some of these holes in the game where over here, when you get a chance to look at the green, there's the fringe, there's a rough area, and they're very small. And sometimes you run into these courses where, for whatever reason, because of elevation or because of whatever, you're off a whole cut. And so when I make my wind adjustment here, it'll make more sense to you. But it will definitely seem scary the first time you encounter this hole. So we're up here with our Saturn. We're in pretty early Saturn. There's Max. We're towards mid-Saturn. So that's about 1.3 maybe per ring. So we're going to do a backspin shot from that cut. And we're going to move it 2, 4, 6. That's 8. 8. And see where it is on that? We're going to move it to the same spot in the next cut. And it's really important that we hit that fringe area right there, because otherwise our backspin won't go in. But if you look at where I landed and I made that adjustment, if I hadn't made that adjustment, I would have landed in the rough, and it would have stopped the ball, and it would have stopped right there in the rough. And it doesn't really matter which way the wind's blowing. You make your wind adjustment, and then you move the ball to the same spot in the next cut. You move it about a cut down, and for whatever reason on this particular hole, and really when you want to talk about percentages, that was at least a ring and a half pull, so that was a 3 wind pull. It'd be like a 50%. I suppose you could work that math. If you played this hole enough, you could take whatever number it is. If they give you 1, you do 1.5. If they give you 10, you do 15. Hitting perfect. Birdie. That's the way to go if you have really big headwind. But if you're in a tournament where the wind is, you know what the wind's going to be coming in, and you can bring the right ball and bring the right clubs, the shot from the left is the way to try and get on the green and 1. It's fraught with danger, but it can be done. The other thing is that a lot of times if you mess that shot up from that side, you can still get it in.